How to delete a TikTok account permanently. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can delete a TikTok account permanently. So let's dive in. First, open your TikTok app and then you have to click this profile icon on the bottom right corner. And now click these three horizontal lines on the top left corner, and then you have to choose settings and privacy. And now click this account option. And once you do so, it's going to bring you to this page, and now click deactivate or delete account. And then it's going to bring you to this page, and now you have to click delete account permanently. And now you can see you can just skip this if you want, or you can just choose any option. I'm going to skip it. And now you can see you can just download your TikTok data if you want, and then you have to click this option, and then you can just delete your account and continue. And that's the process that you can follow to delete your TikTok account permanently. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.